Once upon a time, in a small, silent village far away from the noise of the cities, a boy was born into a family where dreams were a luxury. His father was a shoemaker. Every day he sat on the roadside under the sun, fixing old, broken shoes for a few coins, trying to keep the family alive. His mother worked endlessly at home, stretching every meal, every resource, every moment, just to survive another day. There was no comfort, no safety net, no backup plan, only struggle and hope. The boy grew up watching all of this. While other children in the village wore clean uniforms and carried new school bags, he wore whatever he could find. Sometimes shoes that didn't match, sometimes clothes that were too old, sometimes nothing that felt right. People noticed him, not in a kind way. They would whisper, "He's just a poor shoemaker's son. He will end up doing the same work forever. Nothing big will ever come from him." But the boy never answered them. He only listened and remembered. Every evening he sat beside his father, watching carefully as his father repaired shoes. Broken soles, torn leather, damaged pieces, slowly turning into something useful again. And that's where something changed inside him. A thought, small at first, then growing stronger every day. If broken shoes can be repaired, maybe a broken life can also be rebuilt. That question stayed in his mind, even when he walked to school, even when he studied at night. School was not easy. He didn't have extra books. He didn't have private teachers. He didn't have support like others. But he had something else, something stronger than resources. He had determination that refused to die. At night, he studied under a weak light. Sometimes sleep tried to pull him away, but he stayed, page after page, word after word, hour after hour. During the day, he helped his father, carrying tools, collecting small payments, running small errands. Life was heavy for someone so young, but he never complained. At school, things were even harder. Some students laughed at him, some avoided him, some treated him like he didn't belong there. One day, someone said, "Why are you even trying? People like you don't make it big in life." That sentence hit deep. That night, he couldn't sleep, not from sadness, but from decision. I will prove them wrong. From that day, everything changed. He stopped doubting himself. He started focusing like never before. Days turned into months. Months turned into years. His grades started improving, slowly at first, then strongly. Teachers noticed him. The same teachers who once ignored him now started respecting him. Then life tested him again. His father fell seriously ill. Now the responsibility was on his shoulders. He had two choices, quit or fight harder. He chose to fight. He woke up earlier. He worked harder. He studied later into the night. Exhaustion became normal, but quitting never did. People said, "You're doing too much. You will break yourself like this." But he didn't stop, because he understood something simple. If you stop, nothing changes. Finally, his hard work showed results. He became one of the top students in his district. The village that once ignored him now started talking about him. But he didn't celebrate, because in his mind, this was still